Hi, I'm Stacy Hartkrink. I've been a realtor in this region for over 20 years, working with families throughout Lancaster, Saline, and Seward counties. When people ask me what affordable housing means, I usually think of first-time homebuyers or families on limited incomes, people who are ready to put down roots but are running into the realities of today's housing market. Take Lancaster County, for example. Realtor.com puts the average list price around $380,000. At today's interest rates, a buyer would need to earn about $120,000 a year to comfortably afford that, assuming a 5% down payment and a reasonable housing-to-income ratio. Now, the homes in this virtual tour fall into the $250,000 to $315,000 range, with an average right around $282,500. That's more approachable for many families. Someone earning about $91,000 a year could afford a home like this without overextending their budget. And if they have a little flexibility or qualify for assistance, even $68,000 to $70,000 a year could be enough depending on the loan and their down payment. But affordability isn't just about price, it's about value. Rural Lancaster County offers more than just lower home prices. You tend to get more space, slightly lower taxes, and often there are special programs available to help cover closing costs or repairs. And the farther from Lincoln you go, the more affordable homes tend to be. That said, buyers still need to think beyond just the mortgage payment. Older homes might have hidden costs, like outdated HVAC systems, aging roofs, or inefficient windows that drive up utility bills. New construction, like what we're showing you here, can reduce many of those surprises. You're starting with a new foundation, new roof, energy-efficient systems, no unexpected repair bills. One of the biggest mistakes I see is buyers becoming house poor, spending so much on their mortgage that there's nothing left for furniture, savings, or even enjoying life. A smart budget leaves room for living. The good news is that there are down payment assistance programs and first-time homebuyer loans that can help bridge the gap. Some even offer up to $20,000 or more towards down payment and closing costs. It's just about finding the right fit and discovering what's available. At the end of the day, affordable housing isn't just a price tag. It's about finding a home that fits your life and your future. And homes like this one, they're built to do just that.